We are pleased to show you the 2022 Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX provides plenty of space and functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options that you can upgrade to. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, front knee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.